And today, we're going to be cooking eggs. Well, we usually let it sit for 5 minutes, so I'm going to sit here for like 5 minutes. Okay, let's do this. You ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Go. Oh! I think there's going to be some shells in there. Ooh. Ha, yum. Oh, dang it! I suck at cooking! Oh, scallywag! See how it smells. Let's do this. Oh, scallywag is hot! Oh. It smells like a burnt field mouse. Let's get it out of here. Who are you gonna call? Dustbusters! It's like in those movies where they come up from the steam and stuff. It's my favorite part of cooking. But on the bright side, my nails are still pretty. And Fred still won't message me back. I don't know why. I mean, I'm a cool person, right? I mean, like, even though that guy wouldn't meet me by the tree, he still thought I was pretty great. Oh my God! Fred just messaged me! Wait. My mom's name is Fran, and Fred's name is Fred. It was really my mom! Yes! So, anyway, now that I figured out that it was my mom and not Fred, I'm kind of in a better mood. And I have to tell you something, as long as you keep it a secret. My dog's bisexual. Not gay. He's not gay. Very bi. Very bi. Very bi. Bi. Okay. No. Because I was laying on the couch yesterday and everything. And like, he came up and humped me. Yeah, so he tried to hump me. I just fell on my bare ass. Oh my God. Oh, my freaking butt hurt. And I just felt like the freaking Cubans came over by a raft. Freaking Cubans. Anyways, I gotta wrap this up. So, I have to go to the Hannah Montana movie tonight with my friend, Nicole. I call her Nikolai.